what value of m is the equation x square minus 2 into 5 plus 2m into x plus 3 into 7 plus 10m equal to 0 have equal roots and reciprocal roots. So given equation is x square minus 2 into 5 plus 2m into x plus 3 into 7 plus 10m equal to 0. This is equation 1. Since roots are equal, so discriminant equal to 0. Discriminant means minus 2 into 5 plus 2m whole square minus 4 into 1 into 3 into 7 plus 10m equal to 0. So 2 5 plus 2m square minus 12 into 7 plus 10m equal to 0. 4 into 5 square 25. 2ab 2 into 5 into 2m, that is 20m plus 4m square minus 84 minus 120m equal to 0. So 4 into 25 100 plus 80m plus 16m square minus 120m minus 84 equal to 0. Then 16m square, 80m minus 120m is minus 40m, 100 minus 84, 16 equal to 0. Taking 8 common, 2m square minus 5m plus 2 equal to 0. That implies 2m square minus 4m minus m plus 2 equal to 0. That implies 2m into m minus 2 minus 1 into m minus 2 equal to 0. That implies m minus 2 into 2m minus 1 equal to 0. That implies m equals to half and 2. And for reciprocal roots, that means one root is alpha and another is 1 by alpha. So product of roots is 1. Therefore alpha into 1 by alpha is equals to c by a. 3 into 7 plus 10m by 1, that is this one is 1 equal to 21 plus 30m. That implies m equals to minus 20 by 30 equal to minus 2 by 3. If the roots of the equation a b minus x square plus b into c minus ax plus c into a minus b equal to 0 are equal, prove that 1 by a plus 1 by c equal 2 by b. Given equation is a into b minus c x square plus b into c minus a x plus C into A minus B equal to 0. This is equation 1. Since roots of equation 1 are equal, so discriminant equal to 0 and discriminant is equals to b into c minus a square minus 4 into a into b minus c into c into a minus b is equals to 0. b square into c square plus a square minus 2ac minus 4ac into ab minus ac minus b square plus bc is equals to 0. b square c square plus b square a square minus 2ab square c minus 4 a square bc plus 4 a square c square plus 4 a b square c minus 4 a b c square is equals to 0. That implies b square c square plus b square a square plus 4 a square c square plus 2a b square c minus 4 a square bc minus 4 ab c square equal to 0. So that implies bc whole square plus ba whole square plus 2ac whole square plus 2 into bc plus 2 देखो 2bc into ba minus 2 into or plus 2 into minus 2ac into ab plus 2 into minus 2ac into bc equal to 0. So minus 1 square equals to 1 and plus 1 square equals to 1. So minus 2ac whole square and plus 2ac whole square is same. So this one becomes bc plus ba minus 2ac whole square equal to 0. That implies bc plus ba minus 2ac equal to 0. That implies bc plus ba equal to 2AC. Dividing both sides by ABC, we get BC by ABC, BA by ABC equal to 2AC by ABC. It becomes 1 by A plus 1 by C equal to 2 by B. Proved.